Hi everybody, this is Nand Kishore, Executive Director of Ramki Estates and Farms Limited. Ramki Estates has been into the real estate field for the last 17 years, and we are glad to announce the launch of our new project called Ramki One Cosmos. One of the most distinguishing feature of Ramki One Cosmos is we have podiums which are vehicle free. So the essence of this is that all vehicles will enter and exit near the entries without getting into the compound, so that the children can play freely and the parents need not have any tension whatsoever about where their kids are playing. So this apart, the other unique feature to Ramki One Cosmos is we have multi-level terrace gardens at different levels in the project, so that people can relax and unwind when they come back from their workplaces. And the whole concept of Ramki One Cosmos has been the tension-free living. The idea being that to locate and to provide facilities and amenities in such a way that you don't need to run around and be away from the tensions of that you encounter on a day-to-day basis. So in terms of location, in terms of these features, the amenities, the specifications, and all these things are very well designed and very well positioned so that you have a comfortable life. And yet another strong point of this project is the unique design concepts, where every square inch of the flat is functional, and you don't lose even a inch of space for whatever wrong designs or anything. So we ensure that every inch is functional. So we have employed some of the top architects of the country to design this project.
We heard that there is a Harley Davidson bike to give away.
Yeah, we are glad also to announce that we have a lucky draw for a Harley Davidson bike, and today we will be having the lucky draw, and I'm sure one of the lucky customer is going to be a cheerful owner of a Harley Davidson bike. The customers who are already on board will be given one of these Harley Davidson bike through a lucky draw. We are participating in the Epreda Property Show for the second year in running, and we are very glad to be a part of this, and this is one of the property shows where people will come across multiple options, and I'm sure those who come across our stall in Epreda will find it very attractive, and they can find the dream house they are looking for, and I hope the search ends here. Since this is the launch of the project, our pricing and everything is pretty good and favorable to the customer. So those who book at this point of time will definitely find a much bigger financial benefit compared to what things might turn up after a while. So this is going to be a good attractive option for people to come and buy here at this point of time. Real estate in Hyderabad has always been a very attractive from the perspective of the customer, because the prices have always been historically very low compared to the other metros, and considering the kind of infrastructure we have, kind of the cosmopolitan culture we have, and the kind of employment generation and all that is happening, I'm sure Hyderabad will be on the map for a long time, and it's only a question of time when we are going to move into the next level as far as the city development is concerned. So I foresee the prices in real estate moving up in the coming future, given the fact that whatever confusions that were existing all these recent years have now slowly evaporated. So I think now things are going to look up, and we will see much higher prices for real estate in the coming years to come, coming months to, I would say. One significant aspect I think customers would also appreciate is that we have completed some of the landmark projects in Hyderabad. Ramki Towers in Gachibowli, which is a 20-floor high-rise structure, has become a landmark and is considered as one of the best in the city today. And that apart, we have also been into construction of projects in Hyderabad, in Bangalore. We are doing 3 projects in Bangalore. We are doing 3 projects in Chennai. We are also there in places like Warangal, and we are also starting our projects in Vizag. So Ramki Estates has been a multi-city real estate company, and we bring in our expertise and learnings from all these places, working with different architects and different technical consultants, and all these experiences come together, and that is how we are able to provide world-class projects and world-class experience to all of our customers. And I think customers would definitely benefit from the experience that we gain across it from the experience.